Ben and friends. What's inside? Words. Inside. Sam and Pat look inside. Nice. One hat is nice and green. Very. It is very big. Funny. You are funny, says Pat. Word quiz. You are blank, says Pat. Sam and Pat look blank. One hat is blank and green. It is blank big. Word quiz. You are blank, says Pat. Sam and Pat look blank. One hat is blank and green. It is blank big. Story time. Ben opens the old brown box. Sam and Pat look inside. What is it? Asks Sam. They see 3 hats. One hat is big and red. One hat is small and blue. One hat is nice and green. The green hat is mine, says Pat. Ben puts the red hat on. It is very big. He cannot see. You are funny, says Pat. They are very happy. Read aloud. Ben opens the old brown box. They see 3 hats. One hat is nice and green. They are very happy. quiz. What is in the box? Toys. 3 hats. What color is the big hat? Red. Green. Which hat is for Pat? The blue hat. The green hat. Why do they laugh? Ben looks funny. They are sad.